Hi guys, and welcome back to another page of the Haley Diaries. Sorry, I'm in my closet right now. I'm about to get dressed, but I just wanted to vlog today. It's Sunday. Yesterday was my husband's birthday. We're not really doing much, but we have to go pick up the boys. They were at my mom's house last night, and then I have a Target order, and I need to grocery shop online, but we are also going to be hanging our new curtains today, so I really wanted to vlog for that purpose because I wanted to show you guys the curtains. I'm super excited. I've been waiting about a week to hang them, so yeah, I thought I'd film. Right now I'm gonna get dressed and then we'll get started on our day. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. I'm gonna go get the kids. Today isn't going as great as I thought it would. Hold on. I don't really know. I'm sitting right outside my house. My husband and I just got into an argument, so we could use some prayers. Anyway, I'm going to listen to worship music and go get the kids. So yeah. This song, I don't know if you can see it. It's called Yes I Will by Vertical Worship. I'm going to listen to that. Okay, so I just got to my mom's house. Sorry, I'm trying to situate this. And before I go in, I just kind of feel like I owe you guys a little bit of an explanation. I don't want to like go too into detail. Tough day. I feel like this is something that I've never talked about before or admitted to anyone, but Rick and I do butt heads a lot. We often have complications. There's times when we can't get along. It's not like we talk it out and get better. We just argue with each other. We never get down to the bottom of like why we're arguing, or we just never, I feel like, can move forward from it. It's always the same argument every time. And we just pick on each other, I guess I should say. And not that I want this really on my channel, but I just feel like I'm tired of pretending that's not real, because people argue. You know, everyone is different, and no matter how close or how alike you and your spouse are, there's going to be times when you don't get along because you're two different people. And for us, it's been happening more and more frequently. And it is our first year of marriage, so I know that that's the hardest. They say the first year is the toughest to get through, and I know that we will get through it. It's just weighing down on my heart right now, so we could definitely use prayers to get over ourselves, I guess I should say, to get through the reason we're arguing, and to just be more humble to each other, I should say. It's just a total bummer. And now it's raining, which is super weird because it never rains this time of year. It only snows. It's just really stressful. I'm really stressed out. I don't think I've been this stressed in my entire life. And I'm just having a hard time. Take you guys in with me to go get the kids. So let's go do that. Are you brushing your teeth? Hi! Hi, ponytail boy. Hi. Did you have so much fun at Nana's house? Can I have a kiss? Daddy's at home. Come on, let's get your stuff. Alright, so we're ready to hang up the curtains. So I kind of want to show you guys what I have. So my Nana sent these to me for our bedroom, and obviously we only need one set. She sent us 3. So I'm going to use the pink ones in here. And we're probably not going to hang those today because I think I need to get a new rod for it. I thought I had one, but I don't. So this is what we're doing. I'll show you. So we've got this light gray one and then these white ones to go behind them. We are hanging the curtains. Yep.
Is there a hammer on top of yours?
I'll look for you. I'm also taking a time lapse. Alright guys, so it is the end of the day. It is 8 o'clock. The boys are in the bath. They are about to go to bed after that. Hopefully. I mean, Malachi will go to bed. He's good. But Kingsley, on the other hand, is a totally different story. I'm really hoping to get my nails done tonight after he goes to sleep and edit this vlog a little bit before bed. I don't have to work until 10 a.m. tomorrow, so I mean, I still have to get up early and get the boys ready and drop them off and everything, but it's not like a super early morning, so I'm not that worried about staying up a little bit late. I just hope that Kingsley goes to bed on time. So after his bath, hey, what's wrong?
Nothing.
What did you tell him no about?
So you're trying to pull, you're messing with this.
He can pull that.
What?
It's okay, baby. He can touch that. It's okay, buddy. As long as the water's not running. When it's running, you don't want him to pull that.
Yeah.
Because then the shower will start. So it looks like my camera battery is going to die. So I'm just going to go ahead and end the vlog right here. Kingsley, hold on, okay? Give him something, please.
Kingsley.
Turn the water back on.
Okay.
So after his bath, I'm going to lay him down with a movie in here. Since it is a little bit early still, I'll let him and his brother together watch a movie on my bed. And just hope for the best. My camera battery is totally going to die. I'm just going to go wash him up and get him out of the tub. So, okay, I just went and washed him. I think he's a little bit happier now. So, I was going to film. I was going to try and move this bed over closer to the wall. I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. My camera is literally going to die. So, if it does, I'll pick it back up on my phone. But, I want to scoot the bed closer to the wall over here. Like, put the nightstand against the wall and then scoot the bed over more. Just so that way it's more centered in front of the TV, because right now it's really far to the side. So like the TV's way over there. And I just think it'll make it a little more cozy in here, and then it'll open up this area a lot more. So that's what I was gonna do right now while they're in the bath and film it. But my camera is totally gonna die, and they're kind of not being as good as I thought they would be. So I think instead I'm just going to lay them down on the bed with a movie and try and straighten up a little tiny bit and maybe get some laundry folded. And then just call it night. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.